Good morning, my dear students. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samarprabha Nirvignem Kurme Devo Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Om Shanti. Good morning, my dear students. So today I am going to teach for UKG numeracy skills, senior KG numeracy skills. Okay, so in that I am going to teach you from 0, that is from page number 27 to 37. Okay guys, so 0 means 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. For example, I am having 5 chocolates in my hand, and whereas in your hand you don't have any chocolates. You don't have any chocolates means you are not having any chocolates means 0 chocolates. 0 means nothing. You don't have any chocolates in your hand, whereas I am having 5 chocolates in my hand. So you are having nothing. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. Okay. So consider one more example. Consider a tree. There 4 birds are sitting. 4 birds are sitting. Okay. 4 birds are sitting. Suddenly, they all flew away. Then how many birds are sitting on the tree? 0. 0 means nothing. No birds are sitting. No chocolate in my hand. No pencils are not in my hand. No means nothing. Nothing means 0. Nothing means 0. Okay? Okay? Hope you clear. I'll give you some example. The pictorial examples, hope you guys understand. 0, Z-E-R-O. Z-E-R-O, the number for the 0 is this. 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. See, a girl is holding 3 balloons. She is holding 3 balloons. 3 balloons. Suddenly, all balloons flew away. All balloons flew away from her hands. Then, how many balloons are there in her hands? No balloon. No balloon means 0. Nothing means 0. No balloon means 0. Okay? So, move on to second example. A boy in his plate 2 eggs. 2 eggs. How many eggs the boy is having in his plates? In his plate 2 eggs. 2 eggs. He ate 2 eggs. How many remains? How many remains? Nothing. No eggs are remaining. No eggs are remaining means nothing, means 0. 0 eggs. 2 eggs, 0 eggs. Okay? Alright. Let me give you another example. 2 vehicles on a signal. 2 vehicles are standing nearby signals. How many vehicles? 2 vehicles. The 2 vehicles went off. 2 vehicles went off Hence there are no vehicles on nearby signals. Means no vehicle means what? 0. See, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಂತಿದ್ವು. ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಕ್ಷಣ 2 ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ವು. ಎಷ್ಟು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? No vehicles. No vehicles means 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. When you have the number 0, only 0 alone, then it doesn't having any meaning. It's mean that nothing. It means that nothing. It means that nothing. Clear? 0 when it stands alone. 0 when it stands alone, it is not having any value. Any value. Okay? And 0 before 2 numbers. Before 2 numbers. Before 1, before 2, before 3, before 5, before 6, before 7, before 8, before 9, or nothing. Before the number 0 is not having any value. But after the number, after 1 you write 0, it will become 10. After 2 you write 0, it will become 20. After 3 you write 0, it will become 30. After 4 you write 0, it will become 40. After 5 you write 0, it will become 50. After 6 you write 0, it will become 60. Okay? After 7 you write 0, it will become 70. After 8 you write 0, it will become 80. After 9 you write 0, it will become 90. When after 1 you write double 0, it will become 100. Single 0 means 10, double 0 means 100. Okay guys? Means before the number and when it is standing alone, 0 alone, then 0 means nothing. 0 is not having any value. 0 is not having any value. Okay? Okay? Alright. So, next, let's do some activity. Let's do some activity for understanding. See here the pot. Here the pot, fish pot. Okay. Here there were no fish in this pot. Circle the picture that shows 0 objects. 0 objects. Circle the pictures that show 0 objects. Here no fish means here 4 fishes are there. No fish means 0 fishes. 0 object. Okay. So here in the bus stop, there were 5 people and our child is standing. 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 child is standing. Whereas in this bus stop, the bus stop is empty. Bus stop is empty. Means there were no any people standing in the bus stop. Means no. Nothing. Nothing means 0. Okay. See here in the sweet box, there were no sweets in this box and there were sweets in this box. There were no sweets means 0. 0 sweets. Okay? And here in the vessel, here no flowers in this vessel, and whereas in this flower pot there were flowers. There were no flowers means 0. Means 0 flowers in the pot. No flowers in the pot. Need to say 0 flower in the pot. Nothing in the pot. Nothing in the pot. Okay. Hope you understood this concept. Zero. Concept of zero. Today I am going to explain you from page number 27 to 37. One is concept on zero. Okay. Second is equals to concept. Equals to. Equals to. These skills, these worksheets and these concepts will make you, will focus you. Your skill will be focused on observation, identification, comparison, visual discrimination and fine motoring skills. Fine motoring skills. Okay. Here equals to sign. Equals to. What do you mean by equals to? For example, I am having 3 pencils in my hand. At the same time, you are also having 3 pencils at your hand. Means equal number of pencils me and you are holding. Me and you are holding equal number of pencils. Alright? So for example, I am holding 10 chocolates in my hand. How many chocolates? 10 chocolates holding in my hand. Whereas you are also holding 10 chocolates in your hand. Then what is the difference? No difference. You are also having 10 chocolates at your hands, and even I am also holding 10 chocolates in my hands. Means equal. Equal. For example, I came to your home and I bought 6 chocolates. 3 chocolates I gave to you and 3 chocolates I gave to your brother. Means to both of you I have distributed equal number of chocolates. 3 to you as well as 3 to your brother or sister. Okay? Followed? So this is the meaning of equals to. Means same number both the sides. Both the persons or both the sides. When both the sides same equal numbers are there, then it is called equals to. Equals to. This side and that side. At my hand or at your hands. Okay? That is, at both sides we have equal number of things, equal number of fruits, equal number of vegetables, equal number of sweets or equal number of buttons, whatever. Equal number of things at the both sides. That is called as equals to. That is called as equals to. Equals to. Okay? See, let's do some activity based on equals to. This is equal. E-Q-U-A-L. Equal to. To. This is the sign of equals to. Equals to. This is the sign of equals to. Okay? Count and write. Count and write. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many apples? Number of apples equal to 6. Number of apples equal to 6. And here in this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6. Here also 6. Okay? Number of apples equal to 6. Number of apples equal to 6. Both sides balanced. Then both sides equals to. This number 6 and this number 6. In this group 6 apple. In this group 6 apple. Number of apples both sides is equals to. Is equals. Is equal. Equal to. Okay? Alright. Do some more activity based on the same concept. Number of buttons to the shirt. Number of buttons to this shirt. This shirt and this shirt. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many buttons? 6 buttons. See, look again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of buttons equal to 6 for this shirt. And this shirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, here also 6 buttons. Here also this shirt is having 6 buttons, whereas this shirt is having 6 buttons. Means equal number of buttons for both the shirt having. So it is called as equals to. This is called as equals to. Okay, let's move on to the next example, next activity. Here this is number of fish, number of fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fishes are there in this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fishes? 8 fishes in this group. Write down 8. Write down 8. So here in this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fishes in this group? Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of fishes is equals to 8. Here 8, here 8. Both are equal. Both the groups are having equal number of fishes. Both the groups are having equal number of fishes. Okay guys, these skills focus to observation, identification, association and fine motoring skills. Hope you guys understood this concept of equals to. Okay, let's do some more example based on the same concept. Same concept. So, here draw equal number of sweets in the jars. Draw equal number of sweets in the jars. Both the jars, 2 jars are given in the picture. You need to draw equal number of sweets. Equal number of sweets. Draw equal number of sweets in the jars. 2 jars are given. Here you draw the number of sweets you draw here. The same number of sweets you need to draw here. Okay. Sweets you like the most. Laddu. Ganesha laddu. Okay. I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 laddus in this jar. Same 9 laddus in this jars too, because it is instructed that in the both the jars have same number of sweets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At the both the jars, same number of sweets. In the instruction it is said that draw the equal number of sweets in the jars. The number of sweets you draw here, the same number you have to draw here. Okay? Okay children? Hope you guys followed. This is called equal to. Alright. Next activity. Circle the cakes that have equal number of candles. That has equal number of candles. Okay? Circle the cakes that have equal number of candles. Here the instruction is given. It's instructed that you need to circle the cakes which are having equal number of candles on the cake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is 5 candles. Here it is 1, 2, 2 candles. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 3 candles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 candles. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 candles. See here, in this cake, you have 5 candles. On this cake, you have 2 candles. On this cake, you have 3 candles. Whereas on this cake, you are having 4 candles. Again, on this cake, you are having 5 candles. On this cake, you are having 6 candles. What's been instructed? Circle the cakes that have equal number of candles. Circle the cakes that have equal number of candles. Means here this and this. On this cake and on this cake, this is also 5 candles on this cake. Here also 5 candles on this cake. Both the candles were having 5 chocolates each. 5 candles on each cake. 5 candles on each cake. Okay. So here 2, here 3, here 4 and here 6. Only on this cake and on this cake there are 5 number of candles on the cake. Same number of candles on the cake. So that 5 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. Okay? Alright. So next activity, again on the same concept, that is equal to, see here, draw the same number of red spots on the lady bird. Beetles, lady bird, beetles. Write the numeral. Draw the same number of red spots on the ladybird beetles. Write the numeral. This is on this beetle means this. On this you need to draw the red spots. Red spot. For example, here you draw 3, here you draw 3, it will become equal. Here you draw 1, here you draw 1, it will become equal. Here you draw 6, here you draw 6, it will become equal. Here you draw 10 spots, here you draw 10 spots, it will become equal. So, the same number of red spots on the ladybird beetles you need to draw. You need to draw on the red color. So, this is red spots. Draw the same number of red spots on the ladybird beetles. Write the numeral here. How many number of red spots you make on this beetle, you need to make the same number of beetles on the same, and how many number of beetles you did on the both, you need to write here the number. Write the numeral. Numeral means the number of red spot you made on this, the number of red spot you made on this, you need to write that number. Means you need to draw the equal number of red spots on the beetles. So here I will make 1, here I will make 1, here one more, here one more. Here I will make 1, here I will make 1, here I will make 1, here I will make 1. How many red spots I made on this? I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on this beetles. The same number of red spots you need to make on this beetles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, the same number of beetles, the spots I made on this beetle as well as this beetle. Ladybird's beetle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I made 8 red spots on this ladybird's beetle, and I made 8 red spots on this beetle, on this ladybird beetle. So I made 8 number of red spots both the sides. Means equal number of red spots on the ladybird beetles. Hope you clear this concept. Okay? Okay? Alright. Next. On the same concept. Next on the same concepts. Draw the same number of eggs in each nest. Write the numeral. What's been instructed? Draw the same number of eggs in each nest. In each nest, write the numeral. Write the numeral. Draw the same number of eggs in each nest. Write the numeral. Write the numeral. Draw the same number of eggs in each nest. Write the numeral. Write the numeral. Okay. So here, if I draw 5 eggs, here also you need to draw the 5 eggs. If you draw 6 eggs here, here also you need to draw the 6 eggs. Here 9 eggs you draw here, the same 9 eggs you need to draw here also. Means equal number of eggs you need to draw on each nest. This is nest, this is also nest. Here 5 eggs you make, here also 5 you make. Here 10 you made, here also 10 you make. Here only 6 you made, here also you need to make the 6. Here 1 you made, here also 1. Means that is called as equal from both the sides. Equal number of things on both the sides. Here things are eggs. See here. I'll make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 eggs I made here. Okay, I'll do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs I made here in this nest. And here I will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs. I draw here and here also 9 eggs. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 eggs here and 9 eggs here. At both the nest we have 9 eggs. 9 eggs here, 9 eggs here. 9 eggs in this nest, 9 eggs in this nest. Both the nests are having same number of eggs. Same number of eggs. Same number of eggs at the both the nest. At the both the nest. Okay? Hope you cleared all your doubts about equals to and 0. 0 and equals to. 0 means nothing, equals to means same number on the both sides. That is equals to. Okay, let me move on to the next concept is counting and matching. Count and match. count and match. Okay, count and match. See, this is match the objects with the correct numeral. Match the object with the correct numeral. Okay, we will come from number to the object. We will come from number to its object. This is the numeral here. Here it is 1. Number of object here 1. Match this. Match this. Okay. Here we have one object. Here numeral is 1. Okay. Right. And next is number 2. Numeral 2. Find where is the numeral 2. Two objects 1, 2. Here numeral 2, objects 2. Numeral 2. Numeral 2 and object 2. See here. Numeral 2, objects 2. Okay. Next is numeral 3. Numeral 3, number of objects 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See here. Number of numeral 3 and object 3. Objects 3. See. Objects 3. Numeral 3. Next is 4. Next is 4. The numeral is here 4 and objects here are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to match. You need to match. Okay. Next 5. Numeral here is 5. Numeral here is 5. Number of objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numeral is 5 and objects are 5. Okay, match this with this. This with this. Match. Okay. Followed. Next is numeral 7. 6. Numeral 6. We need to find the number of objects as 6. Number of objects as 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The numeral is 6. Numeral is 6 and number of objects are 6. You need to join both the dots. Okay. Next is numeral 7. Numeral 7. So here numeral 7. Numeral 7. Number of objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numeral 7 and object 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So both you need to join. Both you need to join. Both you need to join. Next is numeral 8. Numeral 8. Numeral 8. Number of objects are 8. We need to find the number of objects as 8. I'll show you. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The number of objects 8 and numeral 8. Match with its numeral 8. So we need to match the number of objects to its numeral. To its numeral. You need to match to its numeral. Okay. Next, number 9. Numeral 9. Numeral 9. The numeral 9 is here and number of objects 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We need to match the numeral with its number of objects. So here it is numeral and here it is number of objects. Okay. Next is numeral 10. Numeral 10, we need to find the number of object 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are there any 10? Are there 10 or less than 10? Okay, let me count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the number of objects and this is the numeral 10. We need to match number of object 10 to numeral 10. Numeral 10. Okay guys, understood? Hope you guys understood this. Hope you guys understood this. Just count and matching. Match the objects with the correct numerals. Just count and match. The concept is count and match. The concept is count and match. So this will make you the matching skills, counting and matching skills. So here in this you need to write the number. So from 11 to 20. Here in this worksheet on the page number 35 you need to write the numbers. I am sure that you guys are familiar with writing number 1 to 100. But here you have to write 3 columns. 11 to 20. So this is same number. 11, 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay. So next, once again you need to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Once again you need to write 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, like this you need to write number from 11 to 20 on this page number, worksheet page number 35. Here it is 35. Okay, so next concept is writing numerals from 1 to 20. I'm sure that you guys are familiar with this. Okay, we'll write the numeral 1 to 20. So write from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So writing number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Writing number from 1 to 20. Numeral from 1 to 20. Next concept is look for the number names 1 to 10. Look for the number names ONE 1 to TN 10 in the letter grid. Draw the circle around each one when you spot them. We need to spot, we need to look for the number names. ONE1 to TEN10. One is been done for you. See here. ONE1. They have spotted ONE1 in the letter grid. In the letter grid. Look for the number name 1 to 10 in the letter grid. Draw a circle around each one when you spot them. Here they are spotted 1. ONE1. They made a circle. They made a circle on 1. Like this, we need to make ONE1 to TEN10. TEN10. Okay. Now 1 they have did. What we need to find? 2. 1 they have did. Next we need to find 2. What is the spelling of 2? TWO. 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 Alright? So here T, this side H, this side S, this side F. You can't come back. You need to go forward or you need to go by this way. One more T is here. TE. What the spelling is? TW. TW. No. Here TWO. TWO. We need to spot this. This is now number name 2. Next, we found 1 and 2. Next number is 3. THREE. THREE. This T is over. TEN10. TS. THREE. THREE. This is 3. THREE. 3. THREE. After 3 what will come? 4. What will come? 4. After 3, 4 will come. We need to find. FT, no. FOUR4. FOUR4. Oh, yes, we got it. We found the 4. We found the 4. FOUR4. Next is 5. Next is 5. Where is the F? F, T, F, O, F, I, V, E. F, I, V, E. Here is F, F, I, T, T. F, I, V, E. Yes, this is the number name 5 we have spotted. We have spotted number 5. Next number is 6. 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X. S-I-X. First you need to spot the S. S-E-V. No. S-F. No. Next is, here is the S. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Next is S-I-S-O. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Yes. After 6, 7 will come. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay. After 7, what will come? After 7, what will come? 8. After 7, 8 will come. 8. E-V-E-E-E-N-E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T means this is 8. This is 8. E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. 8. After 8, 9 will come. Where is the 9 you find? N-E, 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 like this. N-I, no. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E, 9. Yes, we have spotted 9. Just you need to circle. 9. Okay? Okay? Right. Next number is 10. Next number is 10. THTS, no, TN 10. Next is TTTW, TITE, yes, exactly, TEN 10. Either you go down or you go right. There is no possibility of coming back. Okay, all right. TEN 10. Yes, we have spotted when we want to number 10. Number 10. Right, very good. So this is the activity to find and circle the number names from the letter grid. Okay, and next is writing number names or matching number name from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. 11, 20. Match the number names with the numerals. Match the number name with the numerals. See here 11, 17, 13, 12, 18, 14, 20, 16, 15, 19. And here are 11, 13, 17, 18, 12, 16, 15, 20, 14 and 19. So what you have to do is you have to match the numeral with its number name. Match the number to its number name. Number name. Number name. Okay? Shall we do? Alright. See here. This is 11 and this is ELEVEN. Yes, we need to match these two. Match. Okay? Next is 12. Number 12 and spelling 12. Number 12, number spelling 12. TWELVE. TWELVE 12. Match. After 12, number 13. What's the spelling of 13? THIRTEEN. 13. THIRTEEN. Here it is 13, numeral 13 here. So this you have to match with this. 13. After 13, 14. Number 14. Number 14 and spelling 14 is FOURTEEN. FOURTEEN. 14. This is 14 and here the spelling is 14. You need to match with it. Match with it. Next is number 15. 15 is here number. We need to find the spelling 15. What's the spelling of 15? FIFTEEN. FIFTEEN. So here is 15 and here it is number 15. We need to match both the numeral and innumeral names. Okay, that is 15. After 15, what will come? It's 16. 16. What is the spelling of 16? SIXTEEN. 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 16, right? Okay, we need to match this with number name. This is the number name. This is the number. Numeral means number. Okay, guys. Next is 17. After 17, what will come? 17. After 16, 17 will come. So here is the number 17 and number name 17 we need to find. What is the spelling of 17? SEVENTEEN. 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 17. We need to find the 17 is here. SEVENTEEN. 17. This 17 we have to match with 17. Numeral 17. After 17, what will come? 18. Very good. 18. So here it is 18 and numerally 18 and number name is 18 here. EIGHT 8, TEEN teen. EIGHT 8, EEN teen. 18. 18. Just you need to match this number name with its number. After 18, what will come? After 18, 19 will come. After 18, 19 will come. So after 18, 19 will come. This is numeral 19. This is number name 19. NINETEEN. NINETEEN 19. This is 19 and this is 19 here. Okay. Clear? 19 number name, 19 number. Next is 20. Next is 20. Numeral 20 here and number name 20. TWENTY. 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 20. We need to match numeral as well as numeral name. That's it. We made the matching of numeral from numerals to numeral names, number names from 11 to 20. 11 to 20. So this is what the activity we made on this day. Take 2 or 3 days to get familiar with this. Watch the video, understand each and every concept, listen to it again and again, watch it again and again, and then after that only you take the workbook. After that only you take the workbook and sit for solving. I'm sure that you guys are going to do it fabulously. Okay? If at all you find any doubts in this session, in this video, in these concepts, just give me a call between 10 AM to 5 PM. Okay? Today I had explained you from page number 27 to 37 from the numeracy skills workbook. Numeracy skills workbook from page number 27 to 37. The concept of zero, the concept of equals to, the concept of zero, the concept of equals to, then count and write, count and match, then writing number from 11 to 20, then writing number again 11 to 20, and from the letter grid we have traced, we have spotted the number ONE1 to 20, then again 11 to 20 we have matched with number names to numbers, numbers to number names. Okay guys, these are almost 2 to 3 concepts are involved in this video, in this session. So just you have to just listen and watch to this video, get familiar with this completely, then only you sit with the workbook. I want you should do efficiently, individually, okay, without anybody's help. After watching this video, after listening to it, just you have to do independently, efficiently ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. Okay guys, till then take care. If at all you find any doubts or difficulty in understanding this concept, give me a call. Okay, all right, till then take care for the next session. Okay, bye, take care.